Good up. You're in.
Welcome here on Sandy Bay Media for this episode. I'm here with Volleyball Horsham and a couple of players that are heading over to the country championships, and they're going to be telling us about it. We have
Paige and Ella.
Paige and Ella, country championships coming up. How do you feel?
I'm very excited. It's good to see all the different talent that's throughout Victoria, and it's good to socialise with those people.
Yep.
A little bit nervous, but for the very most, very excited.
No, it's country championships all the way in Gippsland this year, isn't it? So, yeah. Have a look at your past experience. What was it like?
It's a bit intimidating playing with people that high of a level, but last year we were in juniors, so it was more like calm, whereas this year it's a bit more intense.
And Ella?
Yeah, no, definitely the same as what Paige said. Going in there for your first year, if it's your first year, nerve-wracking. But yeah, no, after being there for a few times, it's very exciting to go back each year because you make friendships with people from all over the place. So yeah.
Yeah, no, your nerves definitely settle down once you have a bit of experience. But Paige, this is your first time in Division 1. How have you found the level so far, playing at such a high level?
I've been playing A grade this season, so it's gotten me used to playing in a fast-paced game. But yeah, I'm really excited to play with the girls.
And Ella, yourself being vice captain at such a young age, how do you feel?
Very excited.
And how do you feel about leading the players out there?
Yeah, very excited. Also a bit nervous though at the same time because you just want to make sure, everything goes well. So yeah.
Tell us a little bit about the group of players that you're playing with.
I'm playing with a very familiar group of girls. We've all pretty much trained together throughout our volleyball lives, I guess. So yeah, it's going to be really fun to have everyone playing together this year. Should be really good.
No, it definitely sounds like it's going to be a one crazy weekend. Like we'll talk about fixtures before. You have a lot of games packed in such a small amount of time. You've got games anywhere like in the morning all the way to like as late as 12 or 10 p.m. How do you prepare for that mentally as well as physically?
Drink a lot of water, stay hydrated, you need to eat, but also make sure you get rest.
Yep, plenty of rest.
Yeah, taking after yourself before and after games is such an important factor because if you're not taking after yourself properly, you're going to be flat for the weekend and not feeling your best and playing your best you can.
Definitely is. And just before we wrap up, going all the way up to Gippsland, who's going to be controlling the playlist?
Well, I'm going with my brother, so he'll probably yell at me if I try to do that, but I'll have to put up with it.
Ella?
Well, I'm going with my mum, but I'm going to be driving on my L's for a couple of hours, so I'm definitely taking control of the music.
You're getting your hours up. That's the way to do it. Well, look, thank you for joining us, having a quick chat, and all the best, and go Horsham.